Mission 4. Let me see that tooth.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's barely in there.
I know it is.
Watch out, Gage.
And it's going down.
Gage, move.
Count with me as you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The safety on?
No, yes.
Okay.
But now it's on fire.
Oh, tooth is gone.
Connor, look at mommy. We'll find it.
Yeah. Found it.
It just fell straight out of his mouth.
What do you think, buddy?
Oh crap.
It's all right. That's normal.